The first Battle of the Isonzo was fought between the armies of Italy and Austria-Hungary on the Italian front in World War I, between the 23rd of June and the 7th of July 1915. The aim of the Italian army was to drive the Austrians away from its defensive positions along the Soča and on the nearby mountains. Although the Italians enjoyed a 2-to-1 numeric superiority, their offensive failed because the Italian commander, Luigi Cadorna, employed frontal assaults after impressive artillery barrages. The Austrians had the advantage of fighting from uphill positions barricaded with barbed wire, which were able to easily resist the Italian assault. The Italians had some early successes. They partially took Monte Nero, took Monte Colorat, and captured the heights around Plezzo. However, they were unable to dislodge the Austro-Hungarian troops from the high ground between Tulmino and the Isonzo, which would later form a launching-off point for the Caporetto offensive. The heaviest fighting occurred around Gorizia. In addition to the natural defences of the river and mountains, bastions were created at Oslavia and Pajora. The fighting at Gorizia consisted of street-by-street urban combat interspersed with artillery fire. Italian troops, such as the Italian Re and Casale brigades, were able to advance as far as the suburbs but could get no further and were driven back. They made small footholds at Adgrado and Redi Puglia on the karst plateau south of Gorizia but were unable to do much else. On the Austrian-Hungarian side, two commanders distinguished themselves. Major General G. Acute Z.A. Lukacic von Somorha, commander of the 5th Mountain Brigade, who retook Redi Puglia, and Major General Novak von Arienti, who retook Hill 383 with his 1st Mountain Brigade. Early in July, the commander of the Austrian Fifth Army, General Svetozar Borovic, received 2 reinforcement divisions, which put an end to the Italian efforts at breaking through the Austrian lines. The final Italian gains were minimal. In the northern sector, they conquered the heights over Bovec. In the southern sector, they conquered the westernmost ridges of the Kras Plateau near Fogliano, Redi Puglia and Monfalcone. Involved units